YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It really helps our content reach a wider audience and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, I have a special review to share with you guys. Now this is the piggyback off a review we did about a year ago. So we reviewed Nassau Federal Credit Union. Now Nassau Federal Credit Union, in my opinion, is a hidden gem. Membership is available nationwide, so there's no geographic restriction. And the way that you get in is through the National Space Society. And this is all embedded within the membership application, so you don't have to go through any external website. Another great thing is that they do operate within the cooperative branch system. So if there's no Nassau Federal Credit Union near you, you can still access your account through other credit unions. So there's a cooperative that they participate in, so you can still have access to your account. Nassau Federal Credit Union is mostly based on the East Coast. So like Maryland, DC, Virginia, Delaware, maybe even North Carolina. Now they offer personal products as well as business credit products. So on the personal side, membership and all credit products are wide open. However, on the business side, it is a little bit more restrictive. So if you want to apply for different business checking accounts or business credit cards, then your business location has to be within a 50-mile radius of the nearest branch. Now, since we last reviewed Nassau Federal Credit Union, they've now implemented a soft pull pre-qualification for their personal credit cards. And in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you guys through the process. Since we last reviewed Nassau Federal Credit Union, they now implemented a soft pull pre-qualification. So you could pre-qualify with just a soft inquiry. However, if you do accept the offer, then they will hard pull you. Another thing to keep in mind, just because you get an offer, it's not a guarantee that you're actually going to get approved. In terms of data points, Nassau Federal Credit Union does pull your Experian credit file, and they also do use check systems. Now, Nassau is known as a more conservative credit union, so if you have subpar credit, meaning that you have derogatories or a sub 700 credit score, then your chances of getting approved for a credit card are going to be greatly diminished. However, you can still go through the pre-qualification. There's no impact to your credit score. Anyways, let's jump over to their website and I'll walk you through the process. All right, so here we are on Nassau Federal Credit Union's website. That's nassauFCU.com. Now, one of the great things, as I mentioned, is that Nassau Federal Credit Union offers membership nationwide. So there's national access, even if there's no branches where you are. Now, in order to join, there's several different ways that you can get in. Now, one of the ways is if you're an employee or a retiree of Nassau headquarters, if you are a relative or a household member of a current Nassau Federal Credit Union member. Now, if none of these apply, all you basically have to do is join through the National Space Society. Now, when you join the National Space Society through Nassau Federal Credit Union membership application, they'll give you a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Space Society. So this virtually makes this available to anyone nationwide, no geographic restrictions, and this is one of the great benefits. All right, so let's go over some of the different credit cards that Nassau Federal Credit Union has that offer. So they have the Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards. Now, this is a very basic rewards credit card. You earn 1 point for every dollar you spend, and then you could redeem those points for travel, merchandise, gift cards, cash, and much more. There's no annual fee. Rates as low as 9.4% and as low as 8.9% APR for the life of all balance transfers. So that's not too bad. You also get fraud protection as well as extended warranty coverage. They also have the Visa Platinum Cash Rewards. This earns 1.5% cash back on every purchase and all the same benefits of all of their other credit cards. They also have a Visa Classic credit card. Now, this is going to be geared towards people who are building up their credit. This also offers a fixed low rate of 12.4% APR as well as 8.9% APR for the life of all balance transfers. No annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and no foreign transaction fee. Now, this is an unsecured credit card, but they also offer a shared Visa credit card. So this is going to be a secure credit card where you put down a deposit, a minimum of $500 all the way up to a maximum of $5,000. And then their last credit card is going to be the Visa Star Trek credit card. So this is going to be for any Star Trek fans, right? You earn
$300 cash back when you spend $2,000 in the first 90 days. You get 3x points on Star Trek, 2x on gas, and 1x on all others. So this isn't like a cash back. You do have to redeem these through their reward system and you earn points. Now, this one does come with a $39 per year annual fee. Now, in order to undergo the pre-qualification, all you got to do is click this green button right here, check your rate. There's absolutely no impact to your credit score, and it'll redirect you to the pre-qualification app. Now, remember, if you do wind up getting an offer and you accept it, it will be a hard pull. So there's two different application types. You can either apply as an individual or you can apply as a joint application. You just enter in your first name, last name, mobile number, email, your annual income, as well as your employment status, your street address, citizenship, date of birth, and then your monthly mortgage or rent payment. And then you just check these two boxes and hit continue. After that, it'll give you an offer. It's that simple, just a one-page form in order for you to get a pre-qualification, and checking your rate will not affect your credit score. All right, so I just went through the pre-qualification and they were able to give me a pre-qualification offer, a $15,000 limit with 11.9 special lifetime balance transfer APR and a purchase APR of 14.9%. They provide several different designs, so you could select whichever one you want to go for. Now, a couple things I wanted to point out. Now, right here, they have in the fine print, the pre-qualified offers presented above are based on information you provided and information from your credit file. These are initial conditional offers that are subject to change based on the completion of a final credit application, verification of the information you provided, your ability to repay, and other conditions. The offers are non-binding and are not guaranteed and are not a commitment to lend. So just keep that in mind. Just because you get a pre-qualified offer doesn't mean you're automatically going to get approved.
All right, so let's recap real quick. Nassau Federal Credit Union's new pre-qualification personal credit card app. Now, it is a soft pull just to get an offer. If you do wind up accepting the offer, then it will be a hard pull on your Experian credit report. And they also may ask for additional information, including any pay stubs or any income verification type of information. Now, one of the great things about Nassau Federal Credit Union is that it's available nationwide. If you want business credit products, it's going to be restrictive to businesses that are within a 50-mile radius of a location. But overall, I think this is a great credit union, and I like the fact that they have a soft pull application. So at least if you do get pre-qualified, you know what your chances might be, versus if you don't get pre-qualified, that means you're saving yourself a hard pull that you otherwise would have wasted if you would have just went directly to the credit application. So I think a lot of institutions should definitely start adopting the soft pull pre-qualification offers. I think it's a great way just to kind of gauge where you at. One thing you also want to keep in mind is that Nassau Federal Credit Union is also somewhat of a conservative credit union. So if you do have a lot of derogatory types of items on your credit report, then it might be a little harder for you to get pre-qualified for a credit card, but there's no impact to your credit score, so there's no risk in even just trying to see if you get an offer. Anyways, that's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.